What's up guys, welcome back to one of my blogs to show you a tutorial how to do ringtone with GarageBand. Remember, I don't edit my videos, so let's get started. First you have to go to App Store. Pretty much you already have it on your new updates. GarageBand. As you can see, I already have it. You probably have it already with your update. So on that one, we're just gonna open from here. Let's twist this phone. From here, you're gonna go to Tracks. You're gonna click it. Remember, we have to wait for a symbol to show up. Probably doesn't have it. Now come on. Let's show it. Was not showing. Okay, there it goes. And then from there you have to click the little thing right there. Remember, music. It's only going to play the music that you have. These are from iTunes that you have to pay the $9.99. It has to be from your collection. Let's try this song. And that one, click it, put it right there. Remember, your ringtones only plays for 30 seconds or 40 seconds. From there, you have to turn that off because you don't need that. Just move there. Okay, I want that part. Then you customize how much you want. So mine's gonna be like, I think it's gonna be from the beginning. It's like where I want it. There you go. So you have to move the bar all the way to the back. So it will start where you want. Sorry about the bad music on the back. Okay. From there, you have to, like if you want, you can rename it, settings, whatever you want. From there you can check, then go back. That's if you want to use another more sound to it, any sounds like that. Then from there you want to save it, triangle, and then it's going to say my music. Sorry about that. Okay, and then you're going to click it. Then they give you options: iCloud, trash. But you're going to click here. Then you see here, add to the iCloud drive, iTunes, ringtone. That's where you're going to send it. And from there, you can rename it, the ringtone, for whatever you want to rename it. And then it show you your ringtones. I already have 2 in there, so you put export. And it gives you successful. I'm sorry guys, it's broken up. There you go. You're gonna use it as a sound. I said ringtone, start ringtone, but you're not gonna do that. So from there, you put done. And then from there you have to go settings. And then from there, sound. Your ringtones. And then right here. That's easy and it's simple. But I don't want that ringtone. I want this ringtone. Better. So now you know how to do ringtones. And that's the tutorial for right now. And I appreciate it. I hope you like it and subscribe and like the page. Thank you.